Hello and welcome to another episode of Worst Techie. Today's subject is routing mesh. Docker Engine Swarm mode makes it easy to publish ports for services to make them available to resources outside the swarm. All nodes participate in an ingress routing mesh. The routing mesh enables each node in the swarm to accept connections on published ports for any service running in the swarm, even if there's no task running on the node. The routing mesh routes all incoming requests to published ports on available nodes to an active container. To use the ingress network in the swarm, you need to have the following ports open between the swarm nodes before you enable swarm mode. Port 7946 TCP, UDP for container network discovery. Port 4789 UDP for the container ingress network. Before start demo, quickly discuss today's prerequisite for swarm mode routing mesh. In this case, I'm using AWS as a hosting server. I have 3 nodes, and all nodes have installed Docker. Among these nodes, one is master node, and other 2 is worker nodes. And most importantly, allow port 7946 and port 4789. In this case, I am allowed from security group. Okay, now time is today's demo, so let's start. I'm quickly logging into my AWS console. And you can see 3 instances up and running. I'm already logging 3 instance through CLI. Let's quickly check Docker information through Docker info command. And right now Docker Swarm is interactive mode. Now first configure Docker master node. Quickly understand the syntax for the manager node. Docker Swarm init advertise address and then manager IP. Docker init is initialize the swarm. The Docker engine targeted by this command becomes a manager in the newly created single node swarm. Copy master node IP. You can see generated token. Docker Swarm init generates 2 random tokens, a worker token and a manager token. When you join a new node to the swarm, the node joins as a worker or manager node based upon the token you pass to swarm join. Now time add worker node through this token. You can see how quickly add worker node through the token. Now I am going to join another node, follow the same way. You can see how 2 worker nodes attached with master node. Now I run Docker info command again, and this time command output is different from previous one. This time Docker Swarm is activated. Manager node 1, and total number of node is 3. Now I run docker node ls command, and this is a cluster management command, and must be executed on a swarm manager node. To get information about managers and workers. Now I quickly deploy Nginx server with 3 replicas. And this time I'm using Docker service create command. Use name flag for service name. This case name is web server. Use replicas flag to set the number of replica tasks for a replicated service. The following command creates a Nginx service with 3 replicas. Use publish flag to publish a port as a node port. In this case, publish 8080 port. Now my Nginx web server is up and running. Let's check on browser. Last command run from manager node. But I'm checking web server is running or not from worker node IP. Congratulations, it's working. You can check any other nodes as well. You can see how to communicate each other node through Docker mesh. Hope this short video helped you to create an idea about swarm mode routing mesh. More exciting video coming on this topic in future. Like, share and subscribe my channel for everyday new technical video. Thank you.